welcome to this GCC video focusing on the integration to Dynamics 365 or Dynamics 365 for Sales as it's called now, but most people still refer to it as Dynamics or Microsoft CRM. So what's the purpose in integrating the two systems together? Basically, it's to get your sales flow right from your initial CRM lead right through to your invoicing in Business Central without having to rekey information from one system to the other. So essentially following this flow here in the blue area, we start with a CRM lead, we convert into a CRM account, we create a CRM opportunity, we create a CRM quote. That leads on to creation of a CRM order. The synchronization takes over and pushes that into Business Central as if an order was keyed into Business Central as normal, except it just appears. All of the order processing in Business Central carries on as normal, stock dispatches and invoicing, etc. And then any invoices raised in Business Central then appear back into CRM. So the salesperson can see what has been invoiced, what items have been invoiced on that record, and whether that invoice has been paid or part paid by the customer. All of what we're talking about in this video is just straight out of the box synchronization. It's just turned on and it just works with synchronizing out these master records of Business Central customer and CRM account. So make a change on one side, the change appears on the other side. The products within CRM and the items within Business Central. And to be able to synchronize those, we also need to synchronize the units of measure and also the Business Central customer price groups with the CRM price lists to enable us to do our quoting and orders and opportunities in CRM using the stock items that are in Business Central. So as we just mentioned, the transactional syncs going on is the CRM order becomes a Business Central order, a Business Central invoice becomes a CRM invoice. Whilst in Business Central, the Business Central users without having a CRM license can see basic information on the CRM opportunities attached to the customer, the CRM quotes, and also any CRM service cases. From a CRM perspective, we can see the new area of the Business Central account statistics, some financial statistics on what the balance on the account is, credit limits, etc. And also the stock item availability whilst they're doing quotes and orders. So what does all of this look like within the systems? So here we're looking at an account record that's synchronized into Business Central, and we're in CRM, and the new panel has been added by the integration which shows some of the financial information from Business Central, balance, etc., when the information was last updated, outstanding orders, invoices, etc., just giving the salesperson an overview of some of the financial information with the customer they are dealing with. All of these items are actually fields in CRM, so it doesn't have to be in this panel. These fields can be arranged wherever you like within the accounting record. Within our CRM quote, as we're adding product in on the lines of the quote, we are looking at the products that have been synchronized over from Business Central, and we can continue to add these items in, all done in the normal fashion through the CRM engine. The price lists have synchronized over from Business Central, any price lists we have in there as well, and we can continue to process our quote through as normal. As the order is created in CRM, so far no changes in the normal process of creating quotes, orders and opportunities within CRM. We now have our order in CRM, and as part of the integration there is a new menu item called Submit Order. I mean, bear in mind as we're going through all of these processes that process maps can be added into here if you've got to go through more steps and more authorization procedures before you get to submit order. whatever you need in terms of your process, we can configure into here. And everything we're looking at the moment is just standard synchronization. Doesn't mean to say we can't change the synchronization to synchronize different areas or different fields as well. All of that can be done, but ultimately you're looking to submit the order. As soon as I do that, the order in CRM will go read-only and it will pass over into Business Central. So there we have a read-only record, and that has now been submitted through. In terms of pushing the CRM order into Business Central, then you have a couple of choices in the integration setup. One is for them to go into a separated area of CRM orders in Business Central, where someone can take an extra step to just check the order and then have it create as a normal Business Central sales order. Or you can have them automatically just come in as a normal Business Central sales order, which is the situation we have here. So it's just like we keyed it into Business Central. There's no rekeying. Two systems are linked, and then we process through the sales order as we normally would. You might just be shipping within the sales order itself. You might have to go through warehouse picks and shipments and things along those lines. That will entirely depend on how your Business Central is set up. But if we just post this straight through, because we're just demoing this, and we post through and we do the full ship and invoice, and our invoice is posted. Back in CRM, and all invoices raised from Business Central are then posted through as a CRM invoice, and we can see here that we have various statuses of these invoices that we can see as a salesperson whether the invoice has been paid or part paid or it's just been invoiced out, and all of these invoices have the drill down into the lines as well. So these again are CRM records, so the salesperson can then do a report or just quickly see what stock items and items have been sold to their customers, and also whether the invoice has been paid or not, therefore closing off the end of the sales cycle. So that was the standard integration of Business Central and Dynamics 365 or CRM. It's worth pointing out that there is literally just the standard integration. If you want different type of integration to go through different processes, synchronize different item types and things along those lines, then yes, we can do that as part of your implementation. But here's our contact details if you wish to sort of take it further. Thank you for watching.